Several inventory programs can assist with electrical material tracking. For specialized electrical material inventory programs, firstly, consider Electric Inventory Tracker. It is designed specifically for tracking electrical materials, offering features like barcode scanning, stock management, and purchase order generation. Secondly, there is eStock. This is a cloud-based inventory management system with modules tailored for electrical supplies. Features include real-time tracking, inventory optimization, and reporting. Thirdly, Investigate VentX. It is an inventory management platform for electrical contractors, which provides product catalogs, barcode support, and vendor management capabilities. Fourthly, Examine Linkus Inventory Management, a comprehensive system designed specifically for electrical distributors. Its features include kitting, component tracking, and forecasting. Fifthly, consider SureTrack. It's an enterprise-level project management and inventory management solution suitable for large electrical contractors and manufacturers. For basic inventory programs, several options exist that, while not specifically designed for electrical materials, can be customized for this purpose. Firstly, there's Microsoft Excel. It can be customized to manage inventory. However, it may not offer all the features of dedicated inventory management software. Secondly, consider Google Sheets. It is similar to Excel, but accessible online through Google Drive. Thirdly, there's Soho Inventory. It offers both free and paid plans with basic inventory management features such as item tracking, stock adjustments, and reporting. Fourthly, Examine Odoo. This is an open-source inventory management software with various modules, including barcode support, warehouse management, and manufacturing. Fifthly, NetSuite is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning system that includes inventory management capabilities. However, it may be more complex than basic inventory programs. When choosing an inventory program, several factors should be taken into account. Firstly, consider the size and complexity of your inventory. Secondly, determine the specific features you need such as barcode scanning, stock management, and vendor integration. Thirdly, look for software that integrates with other business systems like accounting or customer relationship management. Fourthly, evaluate the user interface and ease of use of the software. Fifthly, consider the cost and support options available. Properly managing your inventory is crucial for operational efficiency.